Let us look at this another sum with trigonometry, which is very simple to solve, provided you take a pause and look at the sum carefully. The data itself serves as a major hint. Your answer says this should come up to 0. Now, I again write my terms in ascending order, and hence I write 9 pi before pi by 13. Now, how should I start with the sum? So I have two terms which are multiplied and other two terms which are getting plus. So can I look at the numbers and say 9 plus 1 adds up to 10 pi by 13. This 10 along with 3 gives me a 13. Similarly, 9 minus 1 is giving me 8. That 8 along with this 5 is giving me 13. Means at one point I will add these two numbers, at one point I will subtract these two numbers. Hence I say 2 cos A cos B will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Since both these terms are cos, I have a plus sign in between. So reading this particular part as A followed by B, can I write this over here as cos A plus B, that is 10 pi by 13, and cos A minus B, that is 8 pi by 13. I am leaving these two terms as it is. Now, the logic which we used was to get 10 along with 3. Can I read this as cos C plus cos D, which is 2 cos C plus D, that is 13 pi by 13 upon 2, and cos C minus D, that is 7 pi upon 13 upon 2, plus now I am using these two formulas as cos C plus cos D, which is 2 cos C plus D, that is 13 pi by 13 upon 2, and cos C minus D, that is 8 pi upon 13 upon 2. Now look carefully. Can I say this term over here gets cancelled? This term over here gets cancelled. Can I say cos pi by 2, 180 by 2, 90? Cos 90 is 0, and hence this entire answer on multiplication is 0. Similarly, again over here cos 90 is 0. This entire answer on multiplication is 0. And so my final answer over here is 0. So observe the term and then solve your answer.